guess I'll open up 2 more.
Hmm? Yeah. Well, one of them. Yeah, it's all bad right now.
Just open them up, Beaver, and you can carry more cans.
Yeah, I'm about to.
All right, thank you.
And then whenever you need to eat next time, you got the food right there. I'm just gonna eat that raw meat, Cookie.
I don't even have a goddamn can.
You what?
I don't have a can over there.
Oh, we went and got our can opener. Rat bastard. I don't hear you talking any more shit after you got your ass whooped.
Nah, you snaked me with a gun.
I didn't do nothing. Don't blame that shit on me. You got your ass whipped with a gun. Like I said. You brought an axe
if I would have,
to a
if we would
gunfight.
have squared up, I don't think it would have happened.
You would have got killed.
I don't think
I
it would have
would've
happened.
killed you.
My movement was too good. I don't think it would have happened.
You would have got killed.
Nah, I doubt it.
Want to test it again?
We can test it later.
What the fuck is going on with my game, bro?
What the fuck just happened?
I don't know. I'm not seeing anybody.
I just died.
Yeah, I know.
Dude, something's fucked up with my game. I can't see my fucking bow, but it says I have it out.
Oh, it's these crazy, stupid bitches.
The power of Christ compels you.
Compels you. The power of Christ compels you.
Oh, they'll fuck your ass up.
Oh yeah, they will. Oh my God.
Back up, whore! Back up, whore! Back up, bitch. Put your titties away. Oh, shit.
Put your titties away. Put your titties away. It's crazy.
It's bad that we have to say that. Fuck, where'd the pills go? There we go.
Oh, another one. Oh, shit. I'm about to fuck you up.
I don't think this
What
cave
the
goes
fuck?
anywhere. Why'd you
Go.
hit Cap? You're right here.
I didn't mean to. Where?
You just ran over somewhere that way. Put him on.
Bitch.
There we go. Good slice and dice.
Let me drink, bitch. I'm thirsty.
Oh, got done dirty.
I can't drink nowhere over here. All this goddamn water and I can't drink none
You
of
need
it.
pop, bitch? You need some pop, faggot?
Do I have any? No. I got vodka.
Come here.
I can see better now.
Give you 4 cans. Stop walking. You ain't getting shit.
I'm walking here.
There you go. You got 4 now.
So raw meat doesn't bring up your food? What the fuck?
Yeah, it does. And it brings up your health.
It didn't do nothing to mine. Okay, it brought it up a little bit.
Let's run them fat sons of bitches.
I got something for him.
You gonna kill him?
Yep. Ready, move, move, move.
Badass!
Nailed it.
Hey, there's more time charges over here. Come get time charges up on this guy.
Is there? Oh yeah.
Alright, got him.
Yeah. Ah, gross.
It seems like there's a little bit more bugs in the game since they updated it.
There might be. There's been like 2 other small fixes since then too. Since the main update.
Ain't gonna lie, you gotta go. You gotta go. You gotta go. You gotta go.
Pretty sure there's a zipper head in here somewhere, so watch out.
I hope I helped and not hit you.
Nah, you good.
Yeah, there's a zipper head in here somewhere.
Yeah. There's pills over here. If you need it.
Oh, fuck.
Pills? Pills?
Pills on me.
Oh shit, that's not you, that's not you, that's not you, that's not you.
You fucking retard. How did you not notice? Oh, fuck, bitch.
What?
How'd she hit me? You cunt.
Ain't no way that just happened. I just got one tap to full bar health.
Yeah, pieced up. There's pills over here.
Ain't no way that
There's
just
a fuck ton
happened.
of pills over here.
Yeah.
Where's the zipper head fuck at?
Oh, there's an MRE right here too.
Yeah, I grabbed that earlier.
Where'd you eat it?
Let me take one of these pills.
Why are there no zipper heads in this one now?
Dude.
Usually a zipper head standing right here. These 3 assholes.
Yeah, I think there is. Typically.
Hey, fuck you. As long as his bitch ass stays gone, I'm not complaining.
You right.
The cube.
I wish we could hold more fucking pills.
Yeah. But you can make
Oh shit! Right here.
healing shit. Oh yeah. Run.
Where you at? Are you over there? I mean, I got the crossbow, so I ain't scared. I'm not a little pussy like fucking cat.
I ain't got shit, but oh! Spider bitch.
Oh shit, he just smacked the fuck out of me.
It chased me.
Baby's
It chased me.
dead. Babies are. We're chasing you.
Fucking retard.
I'm gonna just keep running. I went right. Don't remember.
He said
if
it's
the right
chasing
way.
me and he
We're
doesn't
following
even
you,
know.
dude.
Oh.
We're like on your tail.
Fuckers keep stepping in my fucking way. There should be another one down here too. Watch
Yeah.
out. Another zipper head. I've never seen one of those fucking worm motherfuckers. Little cat dog motherfuckers.
You never seen it?
I've seen it, but they've never been in this cave.
Yeah, they did nerf the flashlight a little bit.
Yep.
Who's singing down here, bro? Chill out. I just got hit by
Oh,
something.
zipper
bro.
head right there, behind, right there.
I'm gonna juke him out. Get
Get him away, bitch!
I went right. Don't know if this the right way.
Yeah, it is. We gotta go up through this and take a left.
Oh, juke him out. Oh, juked him out.
I'm just gonna kill him. Oh shit!
Yeet.
Bitch didn't die.
Yeet.
I killed him. Fuck you, babies. Holy shit.
I guess I'm maxed out on rope.
Yeah, rope
See, it
is
looks like
actually-
you can go this way, but you can't. I guess they gonna add something later, maybe?
I don't know.
I hope so, because I'm wanting more storyline into the game. Take a left here.
See here, too. It's like you can go that
You
way.
can go
but
that
you
way.
can't. This way?
No.
Yeah, it looks like you can, but
Nope,
you can't.
left here. You can go up that way. I think there's another zipper head up here, too. So watch out.
Yeah, I'm gonna juke him out. Babies. Stupid ass fucking babies.
Fuck you, bitch.
Left.
I don't know if left is the right way for this one. Yeah, this one me and Beavers got stuck up.
Yep. Twice or 3 times.
Yeah, we kept getting stuck right there.
Oh,
Zipper. Run past.
Beavers is lacking.
Another one. Juke him out too. Another one. Juke him out too.
Fuck, there's 3 now? No fucking way.
I got it. Got it. Alright. Open that case, bro.
Plugs.
Quick
he's
with the
coming up.
cutscene, bro.
Ah, he's
Quick.
right there. Oh shit, there's 2 of them here.
Get on the rope. Get on the rope. Where's the rope? Where's the
Okay,
rope?
good,
Where's the
I landed
rope?
in the water. I
Alright,
landed
good.
in the water. Oh shit, there's a lady dickhead down here.
Ooh.
Double arm.
Luckily, I landed in the water.
One of me
Alright.
fucker.
Juke him out.
I bet Beavers wishes he saved that shotgun ammo now.
Huh? I'm carrying a fucking axe, bro.
Carrying a crossbow, fuck all that.
I don't have. Well, yeah, I do have crossbow bolts, but then I have to pick them back up. I didn't feel like messing with that.
It's the only one that I can shoot and still see with.
Let me out. Thank you. God damn.
Fuck you, cocksuckers. You lame ass hoes. Okay. Now we gotta go back. Now we gotta go get the fucking rebreather. Captain retard.
Got a good bit of shit out of there. Bro, what the fuck?
What just happened?
I have no idea.
Okay. Did you lose health?
Yes, I'm damn near about to die. Was it this pussy?
Don't look at me, bitch.
Was it you? Ain't nothing else over here, and I saw you
Why
reload
you
your
trying to hit
motherfucking
me?
crossbow.
Yeah,
I saw
'cause
you reloading
shot
your
at the
crossbow.
fucking zipper head when we were
No,
back there.
no, no, no.
Yeah.
Ain't nothing over here to give me damage but you.
Beavers, did I not shoot that zipper head back there?
I
Yeah,
have no
but you
idea.
probably reloaded.
I don't know.
No, I didn't. Cause I was running.
I need some water. Oh, whoa. All screens went black.
Host
Host
is
is
not
not
responding.
Yeah, all my screens went black.
You're.
Something going on.
They
What the
definitely didn't
fuck?
fix this
I
patch
don't know.
like you said, Cap.
What the fuck? Yeah, the game totally crashed. Y'all
Thought you
still
said
there?
they fixed this shit. Crap.
Okay, there.
That's what they said. Well, they said they fixed some of it.
Yeah, I'm just gonna shoot
They
you
fixed
now.
some of the disconnecting.
No, we didn't get save either.
Oh, damn.
Why the fuck did I spawn away from Fat Fuck?
Did y'all not save when y'all was trying to go to sleep?
Thought we did. Guess I didn't. It's not like I got nothing to do.
Sorry about that.
I got your badge numbers.
5:30. Get serious?
Is this something I use?
What?
I feel like that would be kind of easy, though.
I can't hear you. Fucking fire alarm. Look at that pressure. Hey, I got 2 suppressors now.
How'd you get 2 suppressors?
Because I spawned back in the lab and the fucking respawn thing.
Oh, shit.
got something for Cap.
So,
Got something real nice for Cap. You're gonna like this gift. I'm guessing you saved at that tent.
yep. When we were trying to sleep,
God,
or whatever.
monkey bitch. Fuck, now I'm on the other side of the goddamn mountain from you guys.
Well, I'm working my way towards you.
You work your way towards fucking
Should be
crappy.
the Mr.
That's
Beast
his
cake.
face.
What the fuck?
You right.
Yeah, she is talented. Give her that.
Shit, we're close to each other,
That
dude.
is actually like that.
Yeah, that's what I figured.
Scrappy'd fucking save for once in his goddamn life, we wouldn't be in this pickle.
I couldn't save none of the shit I had anyway.
Yeah, you could have. You would have fucking, you know, put a tent down like I told you to.
I literally had. When you told me to do that, I didn't have nothing.
Yeah, you did.
No, I
Still
didn't. I
wouldn't
had
have
a
to start
fucking.
completely over. You had the flashlight. That's one thing you wouldn't
I
have
had a
to
flashlight, bro. I can go back and get a flashlight.
do. Yeah, now that's more time wasted.
The flashlight is in the same area as the cave that we just came out of.
But tase you, bitch,
Bro, no
motherfucker.
stuff. Okay.
Better watch y'all asses out. I'm gonna fucking tase the fuck out of y'all. I don't think I won't think twice about it either.
Oh no! Fuck you, I think Zipperhead. He's trying to
Okay,
get
yeah, you can do that.
warm.
What?
That's a faggot. What the fuck?
Yeah.
You still weren't here before, were they? Coughing and shit.
Oh, those are the coffins I ran into last time when I was like, I'm robbing graves that didn't get finished buried. It's like a whole bunch of
They're on
coffins
the
and shit.
waterfall.
Nah,
Was that there before, Fatty?
I don't think so.
Alright, going down. Yeehaw! God damn it.
What?
Didn't work. I just need it down here so I can get some goddamn water. I hear music. Ready to get a taste of your own medicine, Cap?
What are you talking about?
We'll find out.
All I did was whip your ass with a hatchet.
You got your ass fucking beat.
You shot me.
That's plain and simple.
And you shot me in the back.
I told you I was coming. You had enough warning. Don't play the fucking victim.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
What are you gonna do?
Catch me in the woods.
Suck
Catch
my
me in the
balls?
woods again. Catch me in
You
the
gonna
woods
suck my
again. See
balls?
what happened. Catch me in the woods again.
You gonna suck my balls?
What happened last time? You didn't know where to aim.
You got your
missed.
ass beat.
Bro, you shot me in the back.
El
in the cave
Beetle.
when I was in my inventory.
Beat. There's no question about that. You got fucking whooped.
Okay.
I'm your daddy.
Okay. But it was silent.
Why you
when
didn't fuck with
died,
me
though.
again after that?
You was silent when you died, though.
No, I wasn't. I beat you. I came right back and whooped your ass.
No, no,
I came
no,
a
no,
hooting
no.
and a hollering and everything. You can't say that. Oh,
No.
I just came up behind you and shot you back. No. I told you I was coming to kill you. I told you I
We
was
was
coming
already
back.
in the cave. One, we met up again, and two, we went in the cave and we walking around and shit.
You got killed. Quit making excuses.
All right. Alright, don't make an excuse when his axe come at your face.
You got that ass beat, son.
What's this?
We're gonna find out. Don't worry. Don't worry.
No, that's the one I have to dig.
Don't worry
Is it?
about a thing.
Oh, no, it's the fucking flashlight.
'Cause every little thing gonna be alright.
Oh, no, the flashlight's up there.
If you pass the rebreather cave, go get the rebreather.
I don't remember which one that is. Hold on, I'm trying to check
It's
right
the
now.
one by the ocean. It might be. I don't think it's over by
Is it
there.
a tar? Chainsaw, guest guitar, William Testament, Mr. Fucking email, another one, 3D printer. No, it's not that one. No, I didn't pass whatever game you're talking about.
Every little thing gonna be alright. It's behind you. Cave behind you by the fucking ocean. You coming, Fatty?
I'm on my way.
You said the one behind me by the ocean?
Moss is about to join.
Yeah. What the fuck's he
Right
waiting
down
on?
that river?
Oh wait, I got add him
He's
to the
just down
server.
there. Oh yeah.
You come out down that river?
No. See where the fucking beach comes to like a V?
Yeah.
Yeah, that one.
You done add him to the server?
No, I kicked him out. There.
There you go.
That is. Pussy.
Wow, 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 wow.
Hey, make a fire real quick.
There we go.
There's another camp.
Okay. I'm making a fire real quick because my dude was too cold.
Okay, what's
I gotta take him to the stop when we get there.
going on?
When we get
Hey,
there,
back y'all ass up. Back y'all ass up.
Alex is gonna come pick us up.
Back y'all goofy ass up.
We're driving an hour back to her house.
Bitch!
We're getting some nice sleep. And then have an nail appointment and toe appointment at work on Friday. And Aaron is in the camp as well.
Bitch.
You have to wash that shirt.
I will.
Fuck off.
You're
Yeah,
saving it,
nasty.
like to the last minute now, and it's making me very nervous.
Well, I'll do it tonight. How about that? Okay.
It's the least you could do.
This shirt, and that's my dress for the wedding, and it's way too big, and that's yeah.
Back your goofy ass up, bitch.
Maybe where's the shirt at?
Damn. Damn, you ever here fighting these
Ah.
motherfuckers by myself?
Excuse me.
Yep. I'm just here for the
I'm gonna
money.
go back here to get this. Ah, damn.
It's like silk.
What's up?
So this is it. Here, look at that. It's made out of.
Need more cloth. Watch, watch. Yeehaw! Bitch, you took my can.
There's one right here. There's one right here.
You
Bitch.
try to shoot me, pussy? Oh
No.
shit!
Yes,
Zipperhead, zipperhead, zipperhead. Zipperhead.
Damn.
I'm gonna assume Carlton.
Does it say cut?
No, it doesn't say it in English.
I can't even just try to fucking.
There we go. Now I can hear you fuckers.
Oh.
I'm looking at the.
Hey, we've been
I
in
was able to hear you the whole
Well,
time.
we've heard you the whole time.
Well, so fucking the shit was being fucking retarded though.
Oh yeah. Well, you haven't been on your PC in a hot minute.
Yeah.
We hear everything your girl's saying too.
Right color.
Yeah, she's on the phone with her mom, so.
Uh-huh. Yeah, and we heard that you gotta wash that shirt too.
Yep. Yep, sure fucking do there, bud.
Where the fuck is Cappy?
He's going to the rebreather.
There's a word that looks like
Dumbass. Dumbass.
Wait, it said you connected.
All the way back.
Well, it doesn't say 100%. It just says this.
Does Large Cup ever even have fucking school, dude?
What's that?
Does Large Cup ever even have
I
fucking school?
mean, I can't even
Oh, no.
pronounce it. And then
Smack you in the head with that.
that.
Yep, you know what time it is.
Yeah, I'll figure it out.